Hello everyone, in this video I want to show this Orient Diver RA-AC0K02E10B. The watch looks amazing, very stylish, massive, in a word a real watch. The dial is matte with a faint starburst pattern and large, round dots for hour markers. Its hardiness is enhanced by a sapphire crystal, screwed-down crown, and 200 meters water resistance that all work to keep it ticking, rain or shine. The offset positioning of the crown at 4 o'clock also offers superior wrist comfort. Like the Neptune, the RA-AC0K showcases powerful, lasting lume on the hands, hour markers, and pip of the bezel. These features combined ensure the watch has all the toughness and legibility of its predecessors while sacrificing none of the wearability.
The watch have green bezel and dial. Looks like a Rolex Hulk.
This timepiece have automatic movement with caliber F6722 with 22 joules, with hack function of the mechanism. With power reserve from 40 hours. The diameter on the case is 43.4 mm. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Thank you for the watching.